You don't know how to make radio button using HTML? For this video, we will make one. And let's start. So first, we need to make a label. And for the label, it is radio button. So below it, we need to have an input. Type is radio. ID will be radio button. Name will be radio button. Also, we need to have a value. I think it's 13, 14. So we need to make a 3 of these. Let's copy this one and just paste. So there's 3, and then this one will be 15 and this one will be 16. And for the side, we need to put some words in it. Like this is a survey, so the word will be what is your current level of knowledge in One Piece. Current. So the option will be godlike, godlike knowledge, and human like, and the third one will be newbie. And as you can see here, what is your current level of knowledge in One Piece? There is the radio button. Oh, I forgot. The first one, we need to put a check so that there's a check already in our option. As you can see, godlike is already in check, human and newbie. So that's all for today's video, and see you in the next one. Peace.